everybody, welcome to Vegan Fast. So many people have been asking me since I am on raw vegan diet, what is it that I eat? I've gotten that question many times. What do you eat? What do you eat? What do you eat? So we are here at a store called The Sprout, and I'm going to show you some of the food that we eat. For example, most importantly, the food you're eating needs to be organic, if possible. If possible, it should be organic. And here you can see there is a sign for organic. There's a sign, right? Organic. So what kind of organic things are available? Very simple, nothing complicated. There are mangoes. There are mangoes. There's a mango right here. Very nice. Very nice mango right here. So you just get mangoes. Mango is selling for, here is selling for $3 for $5 organic. $3 for $5. You know, I don't know if that is expensive or not, or depending on whichever part of the world, it depends. Your price will depend on your locality. If you are in Africa, for example, your mangoes will definitely be cheaper and they will be organic. Not like here in the United States where you have to be worried about is the food organic or not. Yeah. So these are mangoes. You know, I know if you are like me, back in Africa there was a mango that we used to call number one. So number one is a very good mango, but it doesn't mean you have to eat number one. People know what I'm talking about from Africa. But Africa has many very nice fruits. So you eat the fruits that are available for you locally. You don't try to eat a fruit that is not even available. You eat what is available for you locally. You eat what is in season. So again, these are mangoes. Then apples. These are apples. These are apples here. That's what I eat. Very simple. Apple. These are apples. The price is not showing here, but again, these are apples. What kind of apple is this? This one says what? Honey crisp apple. But you can eat any apple. It could be Gala, it could be Fuji, any apple is okay. You know, we're saying apples because we're here in the United States. We're here, yeah. And then organic papaya. Papaya. Some places they call it popo. If you're in Africa, they call it popo. So this is a papaya. This is a papaya. That's what I eat. Raw vegan. See how nice it is. Beautiful. Very nice. When we go over there to the inorganic section, I will show you another papaya there. That is the one that is not organic, but it's very tasty. So again, this is papaya. This is it. You see, it has a sticker there that says organic. So that is what I eat. The price here says $1.99. $1.99 per pound. That's the price. $1.99. There's more papaya here. There's more here. More papaya. That's papaya. Then we also have pineapple. I also eat pineapple. There are more pineapples over there in the inorganic section. But here is pineapple. That's what I eat. Pineapple. Organic. It's written there. Organic, Oxicana, Gold, pineapple, anana. So organic, pineapple. Then you also have mangoes. There are a different species of mango here. Look at the different species. Mango has different species. That's what I was saying. Depending on your location in the world, you eat the mango that you have available. You don't eat the mango that is available in some other part of the world and make it expensive and difficult for you. The easiest thing about raw vegan is keep it simple. Don't complicate it. You eat what is available in your locality. So here is another organic species of mango. Let me open. There's another species. Yeah. Right. So that's another one. So after that, we also have pears. They call it a pear. It's not the same like pear. There are certain, you know, in Cameroon or wherever in Africa, they call it pear, which is what they call here in the United States avocado. So don't confuse. They call it a pear. I also eat that. They are very delicious. Let me show you what they look like. This is what they look like. Pears. They are really nice. Very, very delicious. And then another one of my very favorite food that I always like to eat and I put in my salad is a kiwi. Here's a kiwi. And this kiwi, you see, it's written there, it's organic. And this kiwi, this particular one, I like this particular one because this is the yellow one. This is the one that the yellow kiwi. I like it a lot. There is also one that is green. So this one is the yellow one. So yeah, so the yellow one is good. Take a look. Take a good look at it. It's the yellow version. The yellow one. The yellow one is good. Take a look. It is so nice. So very, very, very good. Okay, then I talked about that there's also the green version. Here is the green version of kiwi. Here is the green one. This one is organic. You can see the sticker there says organic. Right. It's slightly different, but it is still good. Take a look at how it looks like. So that's all. Those are the, I mean, that's about kiwi. Those are the kinds of kiwi that are available. And kiwi is very delicious. Has a lot of nutrients inside. As in another video, we are going to talk more about what is found inside this fruit. Then you have, what do you have here? Honeydew. Honeydew is another fruit. Very good. Delicious. Very, very delicious. Then we also have watermelon. This is watermelon. Watermelon. This is the mini seedless, the organic mini seedless watermelon. This is it here. There's the sticker. Mini seedless one. This is watermelon. I also eat that. And we have the bigger watermelons over there. We will still be going there and talk about them. Some of them are organic, some of them are not. But the main thing is you still eat the watermelon, whether it's organic or inorganic. I mean, just do the best you can. If you can get the organic version, it is better. If you can get the organic version, definitely better. I advise that. For those of us that are in Africa, you are in a very good place because most of your food, if not all of your food there, is organic, even though I know that it is starting to change. So another my favorite is avocado. Avocados. If you are a Bantu man like me, they always call it the certain village in Ntok, they call Shison. They say Shisompia. So here is the avocado. Avocados are very delicious. I love them. It's a very natural form of fat. Very natural form. Very, very good natural form of fat. Avocados. They are really nice. Very, very nice. Avocados are selling here for $2 for $4. $2 for $4. And again, it's organic. We have oranges. Yeah, oranges. I eat oranges too. Oranges. Those are the things I eat. Oranges. They are oranges. And it's written there, the sticker says organic. Organic oranges. Oranges are going for what? You have oranges, some are $5.99 for a bag, some are $4.99. Yeah. And then you have nectarines. Nectarines are good too. Take a look. Nectarines are very good. Yep, nectarines are good. Going for $3.99. And then you also have lime. Occasionally I do lime. I do eat lime too. It's a good form of citrus. Yes, again, the key is what? Salt, organic, right? Then in my salads, I also like to put tomatoes. These tomatoes are really, really delicious. These are some small tomatoes. They are not big. They are handy. They come in very handy. So I'm able to just open it up, take a few of them, cut them up, and put it in my salad. So this is what I use. These are very delicious. Yummy. Very, very, very delicious. Yeah. Then cucumber. Oh, look at this. Organic cucumber. This is organic. Yep. Organic cucumber. Very delicious. Very delicious. As a matter of fact, we are running out. I might need to get one or two today. So cucumber is running at $2 and 2 for $4. So there's more avocado here. It's a different kind, 2 for $6. Look at that. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. Look at avocado. See. Who would imagine that we have this very nice avocado in in the United States. Bananas, one of my favorites. I love bananas. Organic. These are organic bananas. I love bananas. Ooh, I might have to even get some now and eat with me on my way home. So this, you know, so bananas. Yummy. Yummy. Very filling. For those who feel like when you are raw vegan, you are always hungry, you always just eat your bananas. You cannot go wrong with that. Bananas are good. Okay. Then this side here may or may not be organic. May or may not. The organic section is clearly written here. So this side here may or may not be organic. I want to finish with the fruit side. Then after that, I'll go over there and we'll look at where we have a salad. Where we have lettuce and other green stuff. So this watermelon, mini watermelon going for $3.99. Take a look. Mini watermelon, $3.99. Very nice. Yummy. Very nice. Very nice. Here's another one. This one is much bigger. Take a look. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. So this one is going for $7.99. $7.99. Yep. So another one, seedless yellow watermelon going for $5.99. Take a look. Take a look. Look at that. It's heavy. See? Watermelon. Nice. 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 Yeah. More watermelon. Take a look. Watermelon. See? Watermelon. Okay. This one is fresh. This is fresh. This one is fresh. The fresh one is more delicious. Yes, this is the one that, you know, you can get. Fresh one. See? And it's organic. Look at it. It's sitting there. Certified organic. Certified organic. There it is. So these are all, you know, so some of the fruits that you can eat when you are raw vegan, and you know you'll be doing wonderful. And then we have look at this, golden delicious melons. We have melons here. So some of the things you can eat, melons, delicious melons. And then cantaloupe. Ooh, cantaloupe. Wow, wow, wow. Cantaloupe is so nice. Cantaloupe, cantaloupe, cantaloupe. Very yummy. Very yummy. Very yummy. And filling also. Very filling. Yep. Hammy melon. Take a look. Just nice. Ooh, look at this one. See how it's shaped. Look at this. Yep. So again, the key is keep it simple. Keep it simple. You eat what is in your locality. You eat what is in your locality. If you are in Africa, you eat what is in Africa. If you are in America, you eat what is in America. You don't mind not, but they are just as good. And if you are raw vegan and what you have is this, then that's what you eat. You don't invent anything. You just eat what is available to you and keep it simple. Keep it simple. When some people hear that you're raw vegan, they're imagining that you eat something maybe from from another planet or something. You eat the same food that you and I we see at the grocery store every day. Or if you are in other parts of the world where they don't have grocery store, you just eat what is available in the local market. These are apples. Different kinds of apples. There are plantains here for people who want to try plantains. There are plantains here that are already ripe. If you want to try plantains, you can. There's nothing. Again, it's raw. So what is the... So here is the other papaya that I talked about. It is not organic. I don't believe this is organic, but it is very delicious. I just tried this the other day. It is very delicious. You will find this a lot in African countries and in Latin America, South America. You find a lot of that there. Of course, are not organic. And then one of my favorite things also that is very filling is coconut. 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 I love my coconut. They are good. If I could get the fresh ones, it's better because you have the water inside the coconut that I like. So this is good. Then we also try this one, the dragon fruit. Dragon fruit, take a look. Dragon fruits. Yep, dragon fruits. Yeah, dragon fruits, they are not as sweet, but they are still just as delicious. Okay. Yep. Yep. This is organic lettuce. It says here, pure Pacific organic lettuce. That's lettuce right there. That's what I use for my salad. Yeah, I enjoy at least one big salad every day. You know, it's very filling, very filling. For my salads, I have lettuce in there, and then I have fruits which I already showed you back there. I have cucumber is in there. Yes, cucumber. We already showed you some cucumber back there. You can buy this. You can put it inside. You can put it in your food. So mainly, my salads are a combination of lettuce and fruits. It's very simple, nothing complicated. Very simple. All right. Okay. I think that is good for now. Again, I want to thank you all. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel, Vegan Fast, and I hope you can share, subscribe, and like so that you don't miss any new video coming up. All right. Thank you. Bye bye.